Good morning, friends. We are just outside of Crested Butte, Colorado, off of Kebler Pass. And look at that beautiful September bluebird. We're camping, and our plans got a little weird last night. The place we wanted to go was just Lost Lake off of Kebler Pass. This road right here is Kebler Pass. It's first come, first serve. It was full. So then we're like, well, we just got to keep going. So we got to this area, which is called Lake Irwin. Lake Irwin is up that way. There is a designated campground there. That was full. But in the Lake Irwin area, there are 30 dispersed camping sites, roughly. And we started at the very top and worked our way down. And we finally got to camping spot 5. And it just happened to be open. So we were lucky. And we set up our tent almost in the dark. And it was about, I'd say, 8:30, and it was almost freezing. So we decided that we would go into town, have some dinner, come back, and had a great night's sleep. Now we're gonna make some coffee. Well, I know we started this coffee beer thing at the first episode. We really haven't followed it through. But this morning, during this whole year-long camping experiment, we tried a lot of different coffees, and we tried some instant coffees like that pour over bag. We tried the badass coffee, or the bitter, I can't remember the name of it. Anyway, it's a brand. They say that they're the strongest instant coffee, but I have found, I can't speak for Jen, but I have found the perfect coffee for camping. It's the Trader Joe instant coffee. And what's nice about this is you buy a box of 10 of these for like $2.29, and they taste good. That's for one thing. But there's cream and sugar already in it, so you don't have to mess around with that other stuff. And they just in these little tubes, and you put hot water in, you stir it up. I'm a big fan. So that's kind of going to be my go-to. Oh, hi. How you doing? Good to see you. I'm in cape mode right now. We had an epic day in Crested Butte. As you saw, we did some mountain biking, and it was amazing. The trails are the best in the world, and the colors are amazing, best in the world. And it's not even peak yet. It was really fun. Had an awesome day, and then went and had pizza at our favorite Crested Butte pizza establishment called Secret Stash, and it was awesome. And then we went to see our friend Karen, who lives here, who sells craft chocolate. Amazing. And then we drove out to the little town of Gothic, where they have where they do science there. It's a research laboratory of sorts. And now we're back in Cape mode at our campsite. And for those of you wondering, I promised that I would share a delicious adult beverage. This is called the Tip Top Old Fashioned, and it's always balanced, never too sweet. It says so right here on this little tiny can. It's pretty cute. Don't shake. I'm looking for the ounce. It is 100 milliliters, 37% alcohol, 74 proof. It's 100 milliliters. Anyway, put some ice cubes in there. It's delicious for when you just happen to be in Cape mode. Good morning. Sun's out, fun's out. Apple turnover, some coffee, beautiful view. Slept great, awesome campfire. But like all good things, must come to an end. Let's go back to reality. So that's the plan. We're gonna pack it up the pickup truck, and head it down the line. So we'll see you next time.